Hey guys, this is Jeff Soulier. Today we're going to talk about your maintenance on a frame warmer. Just like the Handstone, there's a lot of different units out there. They all work basically the same way. They all serve the same function. So I'm going to go ahead and show you here on this Hilco Temp Master. So as far as our opening maintenance goes, basically we're just checking power supply. So again, we want to check our cord, make sure our cord's in good shape. And then we can go ahead and flick the unit on. In order to turn this unit on, you're just going to use the switch right here. You'll go ahead and you'll flick it on and you're going to hear it start blowing warm air. You do have a couple different knobs on here. You do have a setting where you can turn it to cold air, and then another one to adjust the heat, and then how hot or how cold the air coming out is. As long as the unit turns on, we're good to go. If for some reason the unit does not turn on, first thing we're going to want to check obviously is our power cord. Second thing that we can check is right on the back of all of your units, there's going to be a fuse. So you guys can see it there right above the power supply. Go ahead, unscrew that, take the fuse out. You can either visually look at it, or you can use a multimeter and do a continuity test to make sure that it's a good fuse. If the fuse is good, power supply is good, our unit should turn on. If it doesn't, we may have an internal issue where we might have to look at replacing the unit. But again, those are your typical things that are going to go bad. As far as closing maintenance goes, we're simply going to clean up the area. So again, we don't want any dust or debris getting inside of it, as that could obviously be a hazard, since we're dealing with hot air and heat. So just make sure the area is cleaned, wiped down, and ready to go for the next day. All right, thanks for watching.